As you begin to think about your future, it seems like a million possibilities come to mind. However, if you're planning on attending college and you enjoy solving problems, you may want to consider a career in civil engineering or engineering technology. Let's start with civil engineering. Civil engineering is a profession that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical environment, the infrastructure of modern society. Engineering itself has been around almost as long as humans have. For centuries, man has continually created structures that have advanced civilization and given people access to a higher standard of living. Today, civil engineers can be found drawing plans for roads and bridges, designing buildings, protecting our planet's natural resources, and analyzing the Earth's subterranean rock to ensure a firm foundation for construction. Basically, they're all working within the 5 main specialties in the field of civil engineering: transportation engineering, environmental engineering, structural engineering, water resources, and geotechnical engineering. Whatever specialty you choose, the demand for civil engineers will continue to grow as the world changes and the population expands. An entry-level engineer can expect to make around $40,000 per year upon graduation, and signing bonuses are common. While a few people may think engineering is boring, in reality, civil engineering is an incredibly creative profession. Engineers continually synthesize information, solve problems, and innovate new solutions.
That's one of the things I like about my career. It can be a million things. There's always something new. There's always a problem to be solved. I think the creativity involved in engineering gets left out of the equation a lot of the times.
Many civil engineers say their greatest rewards come from creating something designed to last, something that actually improves the quality of life for others. Does that sound like you? Do you like to solve problems and put your ideas into action? Are you interested in creating something designed to make people's lives better? Do you excel at math and science? If the answer is yes, civil engineering might be the profession for you. However, if you said to yourself, "I love the idea of building something that will last forever, but I'm not so sure about the math and science part," then a career in engineering technology, also known as construction technology, might be a better choice. Construction engineering technicians help civil engineers research, plan, and oversee the building of highways, bridges, dams, wastewater treatment systems, and other structures. Engineering technicians can be cost estimators, construction and building inspectors, drafters, and construction project managers. You can often find them working on advanced surveying equipment that makes use of laser technology and advanced GPS systems to precisely locate reference points. Others may even set up and monitor high-tech instruments to study traffic conditions. A career in engineering technology prepares one for jobs in the general area of construction management. And just like civil engineers, the demand for engineering technicians will continue to grow well into the future. In fact, the U.S. Department of Labor estimates a 10% employment growth in the field over the next 10 years. Now that we've covered what civil engineers and engineering technicians do on the job, let's look at what it takes to get there. As we've said, the number one trait a civil engineer must have is the desire to solve problems. In addition, good people skills and the ability to work well with others is a must. After that, an interest in math and physics and a well-rounded high school education are essential for those hoping to go to college and work towards their Bachelor of Engineering degree. Students should be ready to take calculus at the college level and should have completed high school coursework in English, algebra, plane geometry, trigonometry, advanced mathematics, chemistry, and physics. Since today's civil engineers often work all over the world, classes in social studies and foreign language can be very helpful. And because civil engineers are at the forefront of technology using sophisticated high-tech products, computer experience is highly desirable. Such experience would include computer-aided design, also known as CAD. Engineering technicians benefit from the same curriculum, but at the college level, there will be less emphasis on advanced mathematics and science. Civil engineers typically study at the college level for 4 to 5 years, with courses in physics, mathematics, project management, design, and topics specific to engineering. Upon graduation with a Bachelor of Engineering degree, they may choose to pursue their master's or even a PhD in engineering. When choosing a college, it's important to look at schools with accredited civil engineering programs. The Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, ABET, is responsible for monitoring, evaluating, and certifying the quality of engineering and technology programs at colleges and universities in the United States. You may obtain a list of nationally accredited civil engineering and technology programs from ABET's website at www.abet.org. For those wanting to become engineering technicians, it's important to know that most employers will want you to have a Bachelor of Science in Construction Engineering Technology, or at the very least, a 2-year associate's degree in engineering technology.
The experience is really positive here. We've got pretty small classes, and as a junior we're getting into more of the interdisciplinary courses, so we're taking all civil engineering classes. The teachers are really helpful. They get you to learn the material for yourself, and then when the test time comes, there's no real worries.
Once you've graduated with a civil engineering degree, you may go to work for an engineering design firm, a construction firm, or a state or federal agency. But wherever you end up, as a civil engineering professional, you will be directly responsible for the public safety and welfare. Your highways must carry vehicles safely. Your buildings must stand through any and all weather conditions, and your bridges must not collapse. For this reason, all professional engineers must become licensed in the state in which they wish to practice. Before you can take your state's registration exam, you'll have to work as an intern for 4 years, learning from other professionals and having a senior engineer sign off on your work. At the end of that time, you'll be ready to take your licensing exam. Although engineering technicians are not necessarily required to be certified, certification from the National Institute for Certification in Engineering Technologies can help improve your prospects while seeking employment.
The career overall is very fun. I really like coming up with data. I love using formulas. I like dealing with drawings. I mean, you always find something that you really enjoy, and that's really the goal.
Whether you choose to become a licensed civil engineer or an engineering technician, you will help erect our cities, improve our transportation systems, safeguard our environment, and solve many of the problems that face our society now and in the future. You'll construct a better life for yourself, your family, and the world.